channel is to learn. I hope you are really enjoying my videos and finding it useful for your learning purpose. So in my previous video, I have discussed regarding articles and types of articles. So in today's video, we are going to see a game on articles. Okay. So in this video, you are going to play as well as learn the articles. So please watch the video till the end to enjoy this amazing game on articles. Stay tuned till the end, students. I hope everyone can see this article board very clearly. Okay, so instead of solving the exercise on articles, today we are going to learn as well as play. So isn't it interesting, students? Okay, so you know how you are playing the board games. Okay, sometimes you roll the dice and move your token accordingly. So in this game also we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so there is a starting point, okay, and a finish point. You will be moving your token according to the rolling of dice. Okay, so first I will place my token at the starting point. Okay, now move your token to the given spaces by rolling the dice from start to finish. Okay, fill in the blanks with correct articles in landed spaces. So what you are going to do, you will roll a dice, what all number comes, you will move that token into that particular space. If there is a fill in the blank with the correct article, you have to fill it with correct article. If the player gets wrong with the answer, the player needs to move back to starting point and start again playing the game. Okay, if the player wrongly fills the article, okay, in that particular sentence, then he has to move back to the starting point and play again. Okay, in some spaces like miss a turn, that means the player has to miss a turn and give a chance to the opposite player. Coming to move 2 spaces forward, if your token is placed here, then you have to move 2 spaces forward. Coming to this space, ask your opposite player to move into your chosen space number. That means you can ask your opposite player to move into your chosen space number. For example, you can ask him to move into space 4 or 8 or 13 or anything, okay, depending on your choice. So this game can be played with 2 players. Okay, so now today for the understanding purpose, I am showing you how it can be played with the help of a 1 player. Okay, so let us start. Okay, now I am going to roll my dice. So I got the number 6. So I will be moving my token to the number 6. Okay, so what sentence has been written in number 6? Now you have to fill in the blank there. Okay, can you see a blank is given, sun when it is rain and cloudy? Okay, now whether you will fit a or an or the, now you have to think the students. I have taught you regarding articles in my previous video. Okay, so what you will fill with? Yes, can I hear you what you are telling? Yes, it will be the. Okay, because I have told you to describe something unique or specific, the sun it is. Yes, so can you see the sun when it is rainy and cloudy? So the blank will be filled with the article the. Okay, so you are right with the answer. Okay, so now you can roll the dice again. Now you got 3. Okay, so we'll move to the space number 9. Okay, now here what sentence is being given? Dash pen is mightier than dash sword. Now you have heard this proverb. Yes, so now you again have to fill the articles. Students, just think about this proverb. Yes, I hope everyone has got the answer correctly. The answer will be the pen is mightier than the sword. So both blanks will be filled with the article the. Agree, students? Everyone got the right answer? Very good. Now we are going to move to the next space by rolling the dice. 1. So now the space, what it is written in 10th space, ask your opposite player to move into your chosen space number. Now I am here I am playing with the one player. So here I am not using this option, but if you are playing with two players, you can ask your player to move into any of the space. Okay, again I am going to roll the dice. 3. Okay, so I will be placing my token at the last space. So what it is written? It's also again a proverb. Dash apple, dash day keeps dash doctor away. Now this is a very famous proverb, students. Okay, this is an easy one. So can you tell me the right answer? Yes? Okay. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, students, it's right. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here you are filling with 3 articles. A, an, a, the. Agree, students? So you have successfully answered all the blanks correctly, okay, by filling the articles correctly. Okay, so you have reached the finish point successfully because there are no more spaces. So you are the winner. I hope you have liked this short game on articles. Okay, I want you to answer me the 8th space. Okay, now we are not playing here, but whether I want to see whether you can answer it or not. Please comment it in my comment box. Okay, Sunil's father is dash advocate in dash high court. So I want the answer from you students to comment in my comment box. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel S2Learn, and thank you for watching my video. Please support me by sharing this video as much as possible. Thank you. Bye.